How to active screen recording on your iPhone. Open your control panel, then you can see screen recording already have. I already added it. If you want to add, press on hold, then you can see add a control, then you can see the screen recording option. Press on screen recording, you can drag and drop or increase or decrease the size. Once done, press on empty area, then your screen recording is enabled. If you want to record with audio, then press on hold, enable your mic and make sure your photos is selecting. Now press on start recording, and now you can see it's starting. And once done, now you can work as usual. Now if you want to stop, then if you press on this icon, then you can see still recording. Press on this icon, then it will be stop. Go to your gallery and you can see here is your recording. That's it. Thank you.